It all begins in the pasture. On modern, responsible farms, cows spend their days on fresh grass under open.
Twice a day, cows enter the milking time. Advanced, stress-free parlors allow them to choose when to be milked. The milk never touches human hands. It travels through sealed stainless steel lines and is chilled almost.
Within minutes of leaving the farm, fresh raw milk arrives at the dairy, already chilled to 4 degrees Celsius to protect its quality. Immediately after pasteurization, the milk is flash-cooled back to 4 degrees Celsius in seconds, first by giving its heat.
The result? Milk that is completely safe, stays fresh for weeks, and tastes exactly as nature intended.
In the dairy, milk is gently pasteurized and homogenized to give it that perfect creamy texture.
Thanks to unbroken refrigeration from farm to fridge, the milk you pour tomorrow morning is often less than 48 hours from the cow.
Fresh milk just for you. Look how fresh that is.
It came straight from the farm.